I welcome each one of you for joining us for the first ever digital launch of all new GLS. Usually we do in presence with all of you, but the first time ever we are doing a digital launch. I request Dr. Shyam Shetty to commence this launch and unveil this beauty.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the digital launch of the all-new GLS. This is the first time we're launching the most awaited SUV for the Indian market digitally. It's good to be back with the launch of the S-Class of the SUVs to deliver what we do the best. Our team and facility is all ready to welcome you in the safest of environment. We're glad to share all our dealerships and service centers are operational and fully sanitized, since the safety of you and our people is the topmost priority for all of us. The facility visit is possible with prior appointment. You can get in touch in case you need any assistance. Let me give you a brief journey of Akshaya Motors. Akshaya Motors became a dealer for Mercedes-Benz in the year 2010. In the year 2011, we opened the new 3S facility on Mysore Road. In the year 2015, we opened a showroom in Koramangala. In the year 2017, we opened our 3S facility at Mysore. In the year 2018, we opened a sales and a service and a body shop center at Hubli. In December 2020, we plan to open a new workshop on the Hosur Road. I would like to briefly state some of the achievements of Akshaya Motors. We have been the #1 dealer for Mercedes-Benz in South India. We have the highest sales outlets and service outlets in the state of Karnataka. We have sold more than 4,000 plus cars to customers in the state of Karnataka. We have serviced more than 7,000 plus customers in the state of Karnataka. We have been the best dealer in 2019 for AMG cars in the non-APC segment. I would like to relate a few points to the GLS which we are launching today. The GLS, earlier called the GL, is the flagship SUV or the S-Class of the SUVs. It's the largest and the most luxurious SUV from the Mercedes stables. It's now running in its third generation. The first generation came in the year 2006 and the second generation in the year 2012. Globally, Mercedes has sold 570,000 units of GLS across the world. The GLS is a very important product for us, sitting on top of the product pyramid. It is just completing 10 years in India. It was initially imported to India as a CBU from Tuscaloosa in the US. With its increased demand, we started manufacturing it since the year 2013. In India, we have sold 6,700 plus GLSs ever since its launch. The Mercedes-Benz GLS reflects the brand sentiment of all kinds of strength. A couple of more points I would like to add on the GLS. The new GLS is bigger and better in every way. I like the massive legroom of the GLS, as you can see in the product presentation. I'm a technology guy and I love the gadgets that the GLS is offering. I would like to add one more thing about the financing. It's not only completing 10 years of the GLS in India, we are offering a very unique finance solution package with the help of Wishbox, where you can avail a 10 years finance for the first time in the automobile industry, or customize your finance requirements based on your needs. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for attending this launch. I hope all of you come forward to seek a test drive or purchase this car.
settings on a car. You can't see an accident coming. Or walk away from one, like this. You can't make a car talk.
How can I help you?
You can't fight gravity. And you can't make one of the world's best SUVs even better. Go on, tell us what else you can't do. The all-new GLS. Possibly the safest, most spacious, most Mercedes SUV ever made.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from Akshaya Motors. Feast your eyes on the all-new GLS. The GLS for us has been a very successful model with 6,700 units sold throughout India. The GLS for Mercedes-Benz embodies an uber luxury SUV with rugged off-road capabilities and superior user experience. Let us explore the new GLS close up. GLS is powered by two engine options. The diesel engine produces 330 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. The petrol engine produces 367 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. The petrol engine also is combined with a 48-volt EQ Boost technology, which produces additional 22 horsepower and 250 Newton meters of torque. Let us now explore the side profile of the new GLS. The new GLS is very aerodynamically designed. With a CD value of 0.32, it is one of the most aerodynamic SUVs in the segment. The brand new GLS features a 21-inch 5-spoke alloy with MO tires. The mirror housing also contributes to the aerodynamics, and it also houses active blind spot assist feature, which can be useful in determining any vehicles that are coming in your opposite in the other lane. It is also equipped with running boards which are illuminated with rubber studs, which is easy to get on and get out of the car, and it also comes with the aluminium roof rails. The GLS is equipped with Airmatic suspension system with adaptive damping system plus, which means it can take on the roughest terrain with absolute ease. The GLS is also equipped with 4MATIC 4-wheel drive with variable torque distribution. This really helps in handling of the vehicle, and it can conquer off-road driving terrains. The rear of the GLS comes with 2-piece tail lamps with adaptive brake lights. The GLS is equipped with EasyPack tailgate, which also comes with memory function. The boot space of the new GLS has been increased by 100 liters, which now is capable of holding 2,400 liters of boot space. The GLS also comes with one-touch fold function. With a touch of just one button, we can completely fold the seats. GLS also comes with easy loading and unloading function. With the touch of a button, the rear of the car can be decreased by 50 mm so that it is easy to load in and unload. Behold the Emperor's seat in the new GLS. The second row is electrically controlled. You can recline the second row seat, and you also get fore and aft movement. There is also a touchpad, MBUX touchpad, which can control the ambient lights, the AC controls, window blinds, the sunroof blinds can also be controlled to the rear touch. GLS is also equipped with chauffeur package. So for a person who's sitting in the rear seat can get extended legroom by just pushing the seat in front of him while sitting in the rear. You get additional 87 mm of legroom. The new GLS features latest telematic generation, the MBUX. With MBUX, we have touch control on the screen, touch control on the steering wheel, and a touchpad on the center console. And you also have the voice assistant with Hey Mercedes function. With the new GLS, for the first time, Mercedes-Benz has introduced the new contactless gesture-based interior assistant, which can control certain functions by just moving your hands and without having to touch the screen. The GLS also features Burmester music system with 13 speakers at an output of 590 watts. With Mercedes Me Connect on the new GLS, you can track your vehicle, locate your vehicle on maps, schedule appointments for service, and a lot of other functions can be performed through the Mercedes Me app.